And it was funny because not only did I leave here with a car, I actually left here with a job as well. So, and it wasn't anything, I wasn't looking for a job. I'd been at the company that I was with for about 4 years and I was very happy there. But what really made me want to be here is the feeling that I had in my heart when I left here. I really felt like they helped me. You know, I was in a vehicle that was not reliable at all. Like I said, heat was a requirement coming up in a couple of months. We were just 2 months away from winter, and I had no heater in my car, and that was crucial for me. You know, I had a 5-year-old. So, and then I needed to rebuild my credit. I really needed to do that, but I also knew that, you know, all the declines that I had from that period of time, I just knew that that wasn't going to be an option for me, so I thought. My husband had recommended that, you know, had heard we should go to DriveWise, and I was done at that point. There was no way I was going to go waste another 2.5 hours of my time, so I told him that he could go and I would wait here and he could let me know how it went. And so he said, no, but I really want you to go. I figured that the minute they pulled my credit, they were going to shoo me out the door pretty quickly and tell me they couldn't help me, but it was never like that. My job is to basically call in all these people that have applied online that were in the exact same situation that I was. No, I get it. I understand. You know, I was in your exact same situation about 6.5 years ago, so I get it. You know, and it's part of the reasons why I actually work here today is I really believe in what we do. And I know it's frustrating. I know you've been everywhere. I know that people probably promised you they could help you and you've been denied. Like, I get all that. I really do. I was helpless. I was hopeless. I was in that part of my life where I needed somebody to believe in me, and DriveWise did. And so I wanted to be that in somebody else's life. And they told me that's basically what I would be doing here, and I thought I could do that. I could definitely do that.